Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the cassette now. Pry the seam with a small flathead where clips sit, and separate halves slowly to avoid breaking plastic. Once open, inspect the feed path for broken tape, loose rollers, or a snapped drive post. Make sure to keep track of the supply and take-up spools. Their orientation determines tape travel. If parts are loose, lay them in order on the cloth. This initial check reveals whether you can rethread or need to swap a replacement core. Once debris is cleared, install the replacement core by seating it on the keyed hub so teeth engage. Then carefully thread the tape under each guide roller and across the applicator pad, keeping the adhesive side facing the pad so it transfers correctly. Wind a few turns onto the take-up spool to create light tension. Too tight will snap the tape, too loose causes misfeed. As you go, check that the strip lies flat and aligned with the applicator. To finish, align the cassette halves and snap or screw them together, making sure no tape is pinched at the seam. Then advance the feed 3 to 5 times using the dispenser button so the tape seats and any slack is taken up. Test on scrap paper to confirm full coverage and no streaks. If you see wrinkling or skipping, reopen, retension the strip slightly, and verify guides are clean. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes remaining faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.